Jean Piaget. A story of how children learn. In the beautiful town of Neuchâtel in Switzerland, a curious boy named Jean Piaget was born on August 9, 1896. From a very young age, Jean loved observing the world around him. While other children were busy playing, Jean often spent time watching birds, collecting shells, and studying insects. His curiosity about nature helped him develop a deep interest in how things work and why they happen. Jean's father was a professor who loved history and books, while his mother was very intelligent and energetic. Growing up in such an environment encouraged Jean to ask questions and think deeply. At the age of just 10 years, Jean wrote his first scientific paper about an albino sparrow he had observed in a park. This small achievement gave him confidence and made him realize that careful observation could lead to important discoveries. As Jean grew older, he continued studying science. He went to the University of Neuchâtel, where he studied natural sciences. During his studies, Jean became fascinated with biology and the way living beings adapt to their environment. However, his interest slowly shifted towards something even more mysterious: the human mind. After completing his studies, Jean moved to Paris. There he worked with children in a school and helped develop intelligence tests. While working on these tests, Jean noticed something very interesting. When children answered questions incorrectly, their mistakes were not random. Instead, their answers showed a particular pattern of thinking. Jean realized that children were not simply less intelligent than adults. They were actually thinking in a completely different way. This discovery changed the direction of Jean's life. He began studying how children think, learn, and understand the world. Instead of just giving children tests, he started talking to them, asking them questions, and observing their behavior carefully. Often he even studied his own children to understand how